Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, thank you for clicking. I really appreciate. To my OG subscribers, thank you, I appreciate you. So today I'll be making 80 small chops. It was on request for an event, so come with me, let's make this 80 small chops recipe. In this video I made meat pie, fishroll and donuts, Mickey donut. Yes, so I'll be showing you everything that you need to know about it in this video. Please, I'll be leaving all the ingredients at the description box. Try and check it out. So first, I'm mixing my meat pie recipe. I have my all-purpose flour, I have my yeast, I have egg, I have salt, sugar, I have butter. Yes, and I have my milk. You can use water if you choose, but I used milk and I also add water. You'll be seeing everything in this video. So please let me know where you are watching this video from. I will really appreciate. Let me know if you are watching this video from Italy. Leave the flag at the comment section. I will appreciate. Let me greet you specially. Thank you so much. So yeah, I'm mixing everything together. You need to mix well. Yeah, I added my egg. As you can see, you need to mix well. So as we are making this recipe, let's just chit chat in this video. So as I said before, if you are watching from Italy, let me know at the comment section. If you are watching from Nigeria, oh shit, I greet you especially, my Nigeria people. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you have not. Join this family. Like this video, like and share it to your friends and loved ones. If you go to Nigeria wedding, you go to Nigeria party and you cannot find small chops, you cannot find snacks. My sister, you did not go to party because you cannot eat all the mede, eat the rice, the swallow, and without topping it with small chops. Small chops is very important when it comes to party, when it comes to marriage, birthday, dedication, graduation, burial, whatsoever party you are doing. If you don't find small chops there, my sister, the party not complete. It's not complete. So it's something that we need to know how to do. At least if you want to celebrate your daughter's birthday, your daughter graduation, you are having a guest at home, so you can just bake one of these snacks in this video. If you cannot bake meat pie, at least you can do donuts, or you can do fishroll. We also have buns. I have that in my channel, so you can please check that out, how to do buns. I have a lot of video of how to do buns, so you can check that out in my channel. So yeah, I'm just mixing it together. You need to be careful not to overwork the dough. Yes, be very careful. So I'm just mixing everything together. So if you live in the abroad, let me know, how is the abroad life treating you? How is the abroad life treating you? If you are new in abroad, you just came newly, like you new, let me know at the comment section. So yeah, I was done. I have to keep aside for it to rise for some minutes. So yeah, I'm making my fish roll fillings. Yes, I'm making my fish roll fillings. I'll be leaving everything at the description box, so you can go and check it out there. So if you have not shared this video, what are you waiting for? Share this video, my people. It's very important. Share this video because these snacks are very important in party. You cannot be celebrating party and not have a small chops. Which party you they do? You cannot be celebrating and not have meat pie or fishroll or donut or chin chin or buns. So it's something that we need to learn. Please help me to share this video. So I was done with my fishroll fillings. Here I'm making the meat pie fillings. Yes, so it's not that difficult, my people, you know. So if you are doing it for business, so it's something that you need to look out for, know how to do them very well, and you see your business will just be going smoothly. So if you live in the abroad, let me know how is abroad like treating you. Like a lot of you that are watching from Nigeria, I greet you especially in this video because Nigeria is so hot now. Things are so expensive. It's not only affecting those that live in Nigeria, it's also affecting those that live in the abroad, because sending money to your family, you need to send double because what they buy with just little money before, now everything has skyrocketed. My people, it's just too much. It's just too much. So let me know how is Nigeria treating you if you are watching this video from Nigeria, and if you are watching from the abroad, let me know how the abroad life is treating you. Here I'm making my meat pie fillings. My people, let me know at the comment section. Give me a thumbs up from 1 to 10. How do you rate my meat pie filling in this video? When I tell you this meat pie was so delicious, it was, look at that now. Yeah, I was adding my mixed flour to make it thicker. Let me know if you have mixed flour to your meat pie filling to make it thicker at the comment section. Guys, take a look at it now. It was so delicious, my people. This is what we want. This is what you need after cooking your meat pie fillings. It needs to be like this, not too meat. You know, when you are eating the meat pie, you need to be feeling the sauce. So yeah, I keep aside and allow it to cook for some minutes. So yeah, we are about to make our meat pie. We're about to make our meat pie. I actually keep this dough in the fridge for a few hours. Let me say 1 hour 30 minutes. Yes, because I was doing a lot of things, you know, making fishroll, making meat pie, making donut at the same time. This snack was requested in an event in church, so I had to do it on Saturday to take it to church on Sunday. Oh, it was a chaotic day. It was really a chaotic day for me. So if you have not shared this video, I don't know what you are waiting for. Do you know that YouTube told me that 99.9% of my viewers, they have not subscribed to my channel? My people, what are you waiting for? You cannot be watching this kind of educational video that is teaching you a lot of recipe, showing you a lot of things to do, most especially when you are having that occasion, what to bake, and you will not subscribe to this channel. Please support your girl. Like this video, hit that subscribe button. Yes, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share, hit the notification bell to get notified anytime we post great content like this. It's so important, my people. Please support your girl. Share this video, so that we will learn, you know, because if all this snacks is not in your party, it's not in that occasion, that one be never complete. That one be never complete, my people. So it's something that we need to learn. So in your next celebration, you can bake something. You know, when you invite your friends over to your house, you can bake something. Even your husband, your family, they will be proud of you. Like, hey, come, you know, my sister can bake this, can bake that, or my brother can do this, can do that. So please help us to share this video. Is necessary. For every home, there must be someone that can bake something. Just bake something. So that's why you need to help us to share this video. So yeah, I was just rubbing it with egg whites to put in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. Yes, so look at it. Voila, my people, this was so yummy. And yeah, I want to do my fishroll. I'm sorry guys that all the video I did not upload all the video because I was really in haste, you know. It was on request, you know. Filming everything was not so easy, so please pardon me for that. So yeah, I'm trying to make my fishroll. So let me know what is missing in this video. How do you make your fishroll? I actually added spring onions to my fishroll, and it gave it this beautiful color and this different taste. It's what was so yummy, guys. When I took this to the event, it not touch ground though, because what is that Owambe, what is that celebration without a small chop, without snack? I cannot go to a party without snack. Even if you give me all the fishroll, the dikaiko whatsoever, I still need that small shops. I still need that snacks to step down all those food. So it's necessary. So you cannot go to a Nigeria party without finding small chops there. If you not find them, ask. If they not give you, ask. Oh my god. So this is how I roll out my fishroll. It was so easy and fast. So my people, as I said before, if you have not subscribed to my channel, it's the right time to hit that subscribe button. Help me to share this video. It's necessary. Share to your family, share to your loved ones, share to your sister that's about to graduate, share it to your sister or your brother that's about getting married, you know, share it to that business owner that you know that bakes. They should watch this video. Maybe they can learn one or two from it. So this is how I cover my fishroll before rolling over. So let me know in the comment section if you are feeling this video. If you learned one or two, please let me know at the comment section. I added egg to seal the fishroll. I want to appreciate everyone that is watching this video. You know that take your time to click this video and watch it. Thank you so much. I appreciate. God bless you. Please don't make it your last, my lovelies. Hit that subscribe button, share this video, share it to your friends and loved ones. Give it a massive thumbs up. Look at that golden brown. Oh, take a look at that. Why won't you share this video? Take a look at that golden brown. It looks so beautiful. This is so attractive. Even someone that have not tested Nigeria snacks before, just looking at it alone, you just want to have a taste. Take a look at it. It's so beautiful and it was so yummy. I tell you, it was so delicious. Take a look at it. It was so delicious. So please guys, fry this on a medium heat, not too high, not too low, not go burn am more. So fry it on the medium heat and it will come out perfectly. So if you watch up to this point, I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I know you have shared this video. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. And thank you for subscribing. No, just take a look at it now. Take a look at it. It was 80 pieces, guys. And yeah, I made a donut milk. I did not record all the video, guys. I just showed some part. If you want a recipe for this donut, I can make it separately. Just leave a comment at the comment section that you want a recipe for the donut and I will gladly upload it. I will gladly make it, guys. So take a look at this now. Look at this creamy. The creamy is creamy. Take a look at this cream for the creamy donut. This is the donut. I did not show everything, so guys, take a look at the finishing. Take a look at the meat pie. My god, it was delicious. I'm not even capping, it was delicious. So help me to share this video, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell to get notified. Which recipe do you want to see next on my channel? Just leave it at the comment section and I'll be glad to make it. Thank you so much for watching. See you on our next one. For now, peace out. Bye.